It's Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a CP train. It looks like an empty well train here on a Sunday afternoon. Oh, it's got some more cars on it. Some tankers. And some double stacks. Here at about 3:10 p.m. Sunday afternoon, 21st of November 2021. Viewing it from atop the footbridge. Here you can see those stairs, or what used to be stairs, because on the CP side there used to be a commuter train station complete with a platform and shelters. And all that's left now is that kind of arch thing that's holding up. And it's a very short train too. Yeah, that's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And I'll finish my thought here. This arch on this footbridge used to be stairs down to a train station, which now, as you can see, there is absolutely no trace of. And I'm waiting here hoping for a CN train. Have a good day.